Hi, welcome to the pilot episode of a series of devlogs on my game, a totally normal puzzle game, ATNPG in short. I'm Antoine Jean, an indie dev in my studio Gemini Taurus. In this series, I'm going to show you the development process of my biggest project ever. I've been working on it since 2 years and the scope is always getting bigger. The game is, it's pretty obvious, a narrative puzzle game with a simple mechanic, but very flexible in usage. The capacity of alternative between two views or dimensions, a 3D third person and a 2D top-down. Switching of dimension at the right time will make possible to reach other places that other dimension can't. Obviously, I've thought of a lot of other gameplay elements that will surely be shown in the next devlog. Let's talk a little about what I've created in terms of narrative experience. I wanted to create a cast of unusual characters. The game itself will communicate with the player. To avoid any confusion, I'm going to refer at these with GM and Ply. This way to break the fourth wall is overused these days, but I think I can create something unique with this relation artwork spectator. To make full use of this type of character, I created a simple going of events. The first time you'll finish the game, who look totally normal at this point of time, Ply will go to a forbidden place and modify something in the code. He will deactivate the thing that deletes GM's memory before each playthrough. Because of this, the next game starts and things will happen in another way, making a new adventure for the player, with new places to explore and a facet of the game to discover. These alternate playthroughs are called Rewind, and you'll be able to play 5 of them before going to a conclusion. And that without talking of all the Easter egg and lore elements I'll put in the game. So Rewind will be divided in acts. An act is a group of 2 to 8 puzzles regrouped by the theme, mechanic addressed, and more importantly, the music. Each act will have its proper soundtrack with adaptive pieces in it. There will be 100 puzzles in total. That means that I need to make 20 music or more. Talking of music, what you are listening now is some demo track Fahrenheit made for me, linked to his itch.io page in description. Enough talking about the game, let's talk about what is going to happen after this video. A devlog will be released every 1 to 3 months in the form of a 5-minute overview of what I did in this lapse of time, and a premium version on Patreon with more in-depth view of code, level design and story elements. This is to reward the people who want to support me financially, but if you don't want or can't, it's alright, you won't miss very important stuff, only bonus content. It's not all, there's a lot of other reward for the tiers, check out if anything got your interest. I have a Discord where I organize game jams, where you can talk with other people about game dev and my channel maybe. I'm also on Twitch where I'm going to do game dev streams, other stuff and Q&A sometimes. This concludes the first episode of this series. Tell me what you think in the comment section and maybe leave a like or subscribe to never miss another episode of this. Bye!